that's the front. This is going to be the notebook paper. And we are just going to line this up. I'm gonna pull it out of frame just for a minute so I can see it to get it lined up, and then I'll put it right back in. All right, so first one done. Got a little bubble right here. I'm just gonna take my weeding pin, poke a little hole in that, take my squeegee and just rub that. And over time, that'll just dissipate. You won't see that. So here's one. And then we're gonna go ahead and add our little prettiness of our frame. So there's that. And then we can go ahead and add the name. Cute. And then this one can be whatever one we want it to be. I'll go ahead and do restroom on this one. And then as far as the hole, we're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna take our X-Acto knife and clean that hole out. Cute. So cute. Okay, and we are gonna add resin to the top of this, but let's go ahead and decorate the other ones, and then we'll add resin all at the same time, okay? All right. All right, so we have all of our hall passes. We're just going to add any extra stickers we want on them. So this top one is all cut vinyl. This is printed vinyl with cut vinyl. So now we can just kind of decorate as we see fit. So maybe a heart. Then we got some stars. Got some little lightning bolts. All right, then I do really like the clouds. I'm probably gonna put the clouds on here. And I did cut the little cutesy accent marks for the clouds, which I will probably add a few. These are so tiny, I'm not using transfer tape for these. All right, so cute. Okay, so now we're gonna just put a final coat of resin on the front of these, and then I'll show you what it looks like all put together. All right, my darlings, so this is done. Okay, so this is the Hall Pass backing board. All I did was make a little bow, and this is just a ribbon tied on the back to hang it. So it looks like this. Okay, so that's that part. And then the actual Hall Passes, I went ahead and did the layer of UV resin, the final layer. So these are done. All right. So let me show you how to add the hooks, and then we will be good to go. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I got one more that just finished curing right here. So we have 5 Hall Passes and our backer board. And then we are going to be using these command hooks You want to use the ones that can flip back and forth, because of what I want to do, I don't want to put this on the front side. Like, I don't want to put it that way. I want to put it on the back where the hook is facing this way, okay? So we're going to turn that over. All right, get any fuzz out. I have a husky, so sometimes her little dog hairs are stray. Okay, so these are super easy, so you just want to make sure you're putting it the right way. So like I said, it can go either way. You want it where the hook is showing properly on the other side, okay? So it's going to look like this, and you're going to hang your lanyard from that. So we're going to add these really quick. We have 5 of them, so we want to start in the middle. Okay, so we're gonna put our adhesive on this side. Oops, I already messed up. I want the tab to be on the top so that you don't see it hanging from the bottom. There we go. Okay. We're going to go straight to the middle first. So there's one. It's like a puzzle. You gotta really think about it. So tab on top and the adhesive side on the same side as where the hook is going. All right, so we have our hooks. It's hard to show y'all because they move. All right, so have our hooks, and then these you could hang straight on there like that if you wanted to, but I plan on putting these on lanyards and then hanging them from there. But let me just show you if we did it that way. Okay, so if you wanted to hang them this way, you totally can. And then let me show you on lanyards. You just take your hall pass, put it on a lanyard like so. And then these would hang from your hooks. And then that would be your hall passes. So that's your options. Hope this helps you guys. I'll take some pictures of these. You're welcome to use those photos. And I will see y'all next time. Bye.